Hello and welcome. This is Rohit Paradkar, and with me is the new Royal Enfield Meteor 350. Now, this is the first all-new Royal Enfield since the 650cc twins came out. This is a light cruiser, but it promises to be a lot more than that. आइए देखते हैं क्या है ये Meteor 350. सो अगर डिज़ाइन की बात करें, इट इज़ अ रिप्लेसमेंट ऑफ द थंडरबर्ड. तो अगर आप साइड प्रोफाइल को देखोगे तो इसका सिल्हूएट जो है काफ़ी थंडरबर्ड की तरह है. यू सी द टीयर ड्रॉप शेप फॉर द टैंक, foot forward position for your seating. Handlebar जो है, it is not that ape handlebar that we got with the first Thunderbird. This is a little flatter. Thunderbird X जो आई थी थोड़ा उसकी तरह है. It's a little more relaxed than that. And you also get the split seating. अगर आप सीट की साइज़ देखोगे, it's a nice big comfortable seat. It's a split seat. और ये जो बैकरेस्ट आपको दिख रहा है, this is an optional extra. In fact, speaking of options, रॉयल एनफील्ड का कहना है कि 5 लाख यूनिक कॉम्बिनेशंस पॉसिबल है बिकॉज देर आर 37 एक्सेसरीज टू चूज़ फ्रॉम, देर आर 8 एग्जॉस्ट सिस्टम्स टू चूज़ फ्रॉम, 8 टाइप्स ऑफ इंजन गार्ड्स टू चूज़ फ्रॉम, काफ़ी सारे पेंट ऑप्शंस भी हैं. एंड स्टॉक सेटिंग में यू हैव 3 वेरिएंट्स टू चूज़ फ्रॉम. एक है फायरबॉल वेरिएंट विच इज़ द एब्सोल्यूट एंट्री लेवल वेरिएंट. काफ़ी थंडरबर्ड एक्स की तरह दिखता है इन टर्म्स ऑफ द कलर चॉइसेस दैट इट मेक्स. उसके ऊपर है स्टेलर वेरिएंट विच गेट्स यू 3 सॉलिड कलर्स. अगेन समथिंग वेरी सिमिलर टू द थंडरबर्ड. और ये जो आपको यहाँ पे दिख रहा है दैट इज़ द टॉप ऑफ द लाइन सुपरनोवा विच गेट्स यू अ ड्यूअल टोन पेंट स्कीम. तो ये जो सामने है दिस इज़ द ब्राउन एंड ब्लैक पेंट स्कीम. अगर आप ओवर ड्राइव पे हमारा रिव्यू पढ़ेंगे तो उसमें है ब्लू कलर की पेंट स्कीम. आई थिंक द ब्लू वन लुक्स अ लॉट बेटर देन दिस. लेकिन जो पेंट फिनिश है काफ़ी प्रीमियम है and that is seen all through the vehicle. सब पार्ट्स अगर आप देखोगे, फिट एंड फिनिश देखोगे, काफ़ी प्रीमियम है. अगर हम हेडलाइट की बात करें, थंडरबर्ड हैड दैट प्रोजेक्टर बीम लैम्प सिटिंग इन इट. आई थिंक दैट वाज अ वेरी टेरिबल लुकिंग डिज़ाइन. दिस वन लुक्स अ लॉट क्लासियर. हमने एक बहुत कॉमन हेडलाइट मॉड भी देखा है मोस्ट रॉयल एनफील्ड्स पे, वेयर पीपल पुट दैट रिंग ऑफ LEDs ऑन द आउटसाइड. Now that is integrated in here. They are inspired by that, and that is the daytime running light signature for the Meteor. जो headlamp है that is yellow in color, which again works great for the Indian conditions. But let me show you a closer look at the headlamp and that LED ring that I'm talking about. पास से काफ़ी clearly दिखती है, but it's not bright enough. तो दिन में it's not very bright. And of course it's an always on headlamp. So when the headlamp is on, spotting this ring of LEDs is very difficult. Similar treatment is also on the tail light. टेल लाइट पे भी आपको ये रिंग नज़र आएगा. एंड दिस ऑफ कोर्स इज़ ब्राइटर. दिस इज़ नाइसली विजिबल. बट द ब्लिंकर्स दे आर ओल्ड स्कूल. उसमें कोई रिंग नहीं है. इट्स जस्ट गॉट अ सिंगल बल्ब इनसाइड एंड दैट्स प्रीटी ओल्ड स्कूल. सो इन टर्म्स ऑफ द डिज़ाइन आई थिंक आई क्वाइट लाइक इट. जैसे मैंने कहा कि साइड प्रोफाइल आपको थंडरबर्ड की याद दिलाएगा, बट दिस इज़ अ मच लीनर डिज़ाइन. लुक्स मोर कॉम्पैक्ट, डजेंट लुक वेरी बल्की. एंड स्पीकिंग ऑफ बल्की, इसका वेट है अबाउट 191 किलोज. व्हील बेस इज़ अबाउट 1400 मिलीमीटर्स. और जो ग्राउंड क्लियरेंस है दैट हैज़ गॉन अप बाय 25 मिलीमीटर्स कंपेयर्ड टू द थंडरबर्ड. तो बैड रोड कैपेबिलिटी इज स्लाइटली बेटर फॉर दिस मोटरसाइकिल, which is a very good thing. अभी अगर हम डिज़ाइन की बात करें, so if you can see the angle for the header pipe, the angle for the rear suspension, all that is nicely parallel to each other. I'm talking about this angle. Suspension का जो angle है और header pipe का जो यहाँ पे angle है, it is all nicely parallel to each other. So visual balance काफ़ी अच्छा दिखता है इसका. And you will also see that you have this nice boomerang shape for the chassis. So that again adds a very nice design character. And the chassis itself, it's a double down tube frame now. You can see that it's a double down tube frame, and as a part of the accessories आप यहाँ पे इसको एक bash plate भी लगा सकते हैं, which is again a very nice piece of accessory to have if you are going to be riding on bad roads. इस मोटरसाइकिल को ड्यूअल चैनल ABS भी मिलता है. और जो सीट हाइट है दैट हैज़ बीन रिड्यूस्ड बाय 10 millimeters. इट इज़ 765 millimeters नाउ. So for shorter riders, It's going to be a welcome change. And like I said, 191 kilos hai, lekin it doesn't really feel that heavy. Of course, what I feel about the motorcycle, for that you have to log on to youtube.com/odmag. Overdrive पे इसका full detail review है मेरा. I'll tell you how the engine feels, how the chassis feels, how the bike handles. And since we are talking about the engine, it's their new J series engine, 350cc, 349cc to be precise. Horsepower है 20.2 and torque is 27 Newton meters. तो figures के मामले में it is not very different than the Thunderbird, लेकिन चलाने के मामले में it is quite different. So like I said, definitely do watch my review on Overdrive and I'll tell you what I feel about the way this motorcycle rides. अभी ये जो आपको टूरिंग विंडस्क्रीन दिख रहा है यहाँ पे, दिस इज़ ऑल्सो अ पार्ट ऑफ द एक्सेसरीज, बट ये जो सुपरनोवा वेरिएंट है इस पर ये स्टैंडर्ड आता है. You can also go with a smaller fly screen, something similar to what we've seen on the Interceptor and also the Continental GT. So you can get yourself something like that. In terms of the wheels, you get a 19-inch front. Unfortunately, इसके साथ कोई old school design नहीं है, so you don't get the wire spoke wheels to go with it. You get this alloy wheel only, and the tires are Seat Zoom Plus. If you are interested in the size, it's a 190/19 at the front and at the rear. There you go. It's a 140/70/17. Like I said, it's a dual channel ABS, so you get the ABS ring at the back as well. Braking improvement hai ya nahi, how does it feel? Again, you have to watch the Overdrive review and I'll tell you a lot about the braking as well. So let's now talk about the instrumentation. Thunderbird का एक बहुत important design element था, where you had a twin barrel layout. It had a tachometer, rev counter. It's not there anymore, but you do get a digital display right in the middle of the speedometer. अगर आप speedometer को भी देखोगे, it is in kilometers an hour and miles per hour as well. And that will tell you कि Royal Enfield intends to export this motorcycle to other markets. In fact, that is also the reason why the name of this motorcycle is Meteor and not the new Thunderbird. क्या है इसके पीछे reason? Again, I have talked about it in my review on Overdrive, so definitely do take a look. Now, what is this module? Well, this is the Royal Enfield Tripper module. It looks like an aftermarket fitment because, well, it is an accessory. इस पे तो स्टैंडर्ड है, इसके तीनों वेरिएंट्स पे स्टैंडर्ड है, मीटियोर के तीनों वेरिएंट्स पे आपको ये मिलेगा, लेकिन you can also have this on other Royal Enfield motorcycles, beginning with the 650s. उसके ऊपर भी अभी हाल ही में लॉन्च हो जाएगा. So this is a nice display. It's a color display. Now this pairs with your phone. Royal Enfield app जो है उसके ऊपर एक navigation module भी है. It is powered by Google Maps. It uses the two-wheeler mode from Google Maps, and like I said, it pairs to this particular device. And it will give you turn-by-turn navigation. And I think it is a very nice piece of accessory to have. The app is still in a beta stage, so I'm not sure if you will be able to test it out. Lekin the showroom guys should have an app for you to take a look at. I have shown the app in detail as well, so you will get an idea of what the interface looks like. Like I said, it has got navigation. You can also book your service appointments. You can also get a quote for your service. You can also customize the motorcycle before buying it if you want, and place an order for the new motorcycle from the app itself. जैसे मैंने कहा कि 5 लाख यूनिक कॉम्बिनेशंस पॉसिबल है इस गाड़ी के साथ, in terms of the accessories, all the combinations. So there are 5 lakh combinations possible, and you can browse through all of that from the app itself and place an order from the app itself. So you can customize the bike the way you want. Royal Enfield calls it the MIY program, Make It Yours program, and the name is self-explanatory. Okay, now in terms of the exhaust, this is the exhaust that comes stock. Like I said, there are 8 exhaust options, और Royal Enfield also tells me कि हर exhaust का आवाज़ अलग होगा. Every exhaust has a different sound profile. Unfortunately, I have not heard the other exhausts. लेकिन let's start this particular motorcycle. Let me give you a quick listen on what this new engine sounds like. So let's take a listen. So you still have that thump, thoda kam hai of course because of the new emission norms. You still have that thump, you still know it's a Royal Enfield, though it is not the characteristic thump जो हमने क्लासिक्स में सुना है या पुरानी थंडरबर्ड पे सुना है. It's not as loud as that, it's not as metallic as that either, and this is the best that Royal Enfield can do at the moment because of the way the emission norms are, and going forward it's just going to get more silent than this. So I don't know if you saw when I switched on the motorcycle, but take a look at the switch gear. काफ़ी बढ़िया switch gear है ये. This is again from the classics, from the old classics, not Royal Enfield classic that is sold in India right now. But this is a design that a lot of old motorcycles used, and it's an ode to that essentially. It also comes with this engraving that says Royal Enfield since 1901, and you get a similar design again here on the other side as well. The only problem is pass switch भी इसी में integrated है, and in place of the pass switch you get a switch that essentially controls the trip computer. So this certainly needs getting used to, because when you're riding and if you're used to using the pass switch often, बहुत बार this is going to be the common action and not this. So this is definitely something that needs getting used to. अभी Royal Enfield का कहना है कि even the design of the mirrors, you know, they worked a lot on these mirrors, on this design. They wanted to go with the round design of course, but there were multiple options that they looked at in how the stock should be and where it should join the mirror, how the adjustability should be, and this is the design that they finally settled in on. And I think it looks quite good. और एक चीज़ जो आपको शायद नोटिस हुई होगी, that is the shape of the master cylinder, the shape of the switch gear cube, the shape of the handlebars even. उसका profile अगर आप देखोगे, it's got a nice rounded profile, and even the design of the bar end weights, it's very nicely done. I even like the design of the fuel filler cap. Again, very nicely done, complements the design of the motorcycle very nicely. In terms of the key, nothing very unique there, but again, nicely designed. Goes with the whole round theme that you see all across the motorcycle, the rounded off theme that you see all across the motorcycle. So let's turn off that engine. काफ़ी fuel efficient engine भी है. For those figures, again, I'm going to push you to watch the overdrive review. It's on youtube.com/odmag, or you can read the review on overdrive.in. But yeah, this is what the motorcycle is all about. It's an easy rider, nice city cruiser, and I think it looks quite nice. And like I said, that customization program is going to make a lot of difference to how you can customize the motorcycle, to how you can personalize the motorcycle, and that is something that Royal Enfield is going to be capitalizing on. जैसे हमने Harley Davidson में भी देखा है that selling the motorcycles, service, all that is just one part of the business. The other big business for Harley Davidson has been the accessory business, and clearly Royal Enfield is also trying to capitalize on a similar business model. That MIY program is going to introduce a lot more accessories, a lot more customization options. They want people to personalize vehicles, make them unique, and like I said, that becomes a new business model in itself. Well, so this is what the motorcycle is all about. Like I said, my review is already out on Overdrive, so definitely do check it out, and also post your comments on the Overdrive review, post your queries on the Overdrive review, and I'll personally try and answer all of them. Whatever you want to know about this motorcycle, Overdrive के review पे जाइए, आपके questions post कीजिए, and I'll try to answer them personally as long as they are relevant to this motorcycle. So this is it. This is the Meteor 350. The top end variant is under 1.91 lakh rupees ex showroom, and I think that's a very good price. So if in case you think that the classic 350 is now aging, काफ़ी पुरानी हो गई है, you want something different, you want something that looks more new age, that feels more new age, जिसका engine भी ज़्यादा refined हो, this is your option at the moment. Of course, this 350cc engine will go to other Royal Enfield motorcycles also, but we'll have to wait and watch when that happens. But for now, this is the latest all new Royal Enfield, and its first impressions are really, really good. Thank you so much for watching.